Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush. So we're here with another apartment update, apartment construction update. First of all, you know it works guys. If you have watched a few videos and you haven't yet subscribed, just click that subscribe button, turn it gray. Subscribing is absolutely free. Remember to turn on your post notification bell as well, so once I do a new upload, you guys will be notified. Remember to like the video and comment and share, because that also help the channel to grow and help persons that have never seen the channel to, you know, see the channel by YouTube algorithm. I know you don't have to contribute financially to support the channel. You don't have to contribute in a monetary form. Just by liking, just by commenting, just by sharing, that's definitely supporting the channel as well. So we're here back at the Kensington Gate. I've been doing an update on some of the apartments and the apartment developments in Kingston over the last couple of videos. So this is just another update for you guys, just to show you guys what's happening as well. I did a previous video, which is really a room tour on this property already. So I'll put that video in the description and in the comments as well. Alright, so the previous video I did is very detailed. We actually did a open house room tour. So it showed one of the completed apartments. So you guys can definitely check that out. I think this is basically almost finished. Most of the units are completely finished, so they're on their final lap. The video will show the rooftop pool, the rooftop gym, the underground parking, concierge, the whole work. So check out that video guys. I'm gonna put it in the comments and in the description as well, so you can see the detailed property tour of the Kensington Gate. This is really just a quick glimpse, a quick update of the property, because as I said, I've been showing some of the apartment updates around Kingston over the last couple of videos. So just giving you guys an update on the Kensington Gate as well. This is the NCB Towers right beside it. This is one of the NCB Towers. Are very unique colors. I think that's gray, but the main color is very unique. You guys can probably tell me the correct name for it. It's kind of very light blue, bluish whitish. So it's a very subtle color, very unique. You don't see this color often, but it has a little blue in it, a little aqua-ish, closest to white. So if you guys know the exact name, not sure if the camera is picking up the color clear enough, but let me contrast the color with a white vehicle. So that's the color. This is a white vehicle. White vehicle and the color. So you can see the difference. The window frames are white. The grill is white. So yeah. So you guys can see the contrast. And again guys, leave your comments. We'll go a bit closer as well just to give a closer look too, as well. So this is the area. A lot of apartments on this road, Kensington Crescent, right in the center in the center of New Kingston. Very central, very upscale location. A lot of apartment complexes, with a mixture of commercial developments as well. And then just out here we have Old Oak Road. So over this side is Old Oak Road. That's down there. Alright. And then I'm gonna go closer to the building and show you how close Oxford Road is as well. And I guess in the end what we'll do is just to take a little drive up the road, just to show you guys a glimpse of some of the other apartments. So we'll do that as well. But again, just a quick update guys on the Kensington Gate. Almost finished, not yet occupied, but it's almost there. I know most rooms are completely finished. They also were able to do a complete finished open house room tour, which I covered, and I'll put the link in the comments. All right, let's get a little closer, guys. All right, so we have Oxford Road down that side. So that's Oxford Road. And then I'm standing on Oxford Park Avenue. All right, so this is a side view of the complex. So it's 7 floors. The rooftop area makes 8 floors. So again, NCB Towers, North and South Tower. Alright guys, so I was able to show you around the property, some exterior glimpses, and as I mentioned, I'll put the link for the more detailed video in the comments, so you guys can definitely check that out as well. Alright, so as promised, just taking a drive around the community just to show you guys some of the other apartments. And as usual, we see the condition of the roads, sidewalks, you know, that definitely needs some work. We see it almost in every development we go. So the road and sidewalk definitely need some work. Landscaping as well. Alright, so again we're on Kensington Crescent. We just took a look at the Kensington Gate. Currently under construction, almost finished I would say. Alright, so we see somewhere here that is fenced off. The last time I came around here and showed you guys around the community, it was a very rundown house that was over there, and I even showed you guys how it looked and say, hey, just waiting for some development, and I guess someone heard us, you know. So it's now fenced off, looking like it's ready, or they started to develop that rundown single family home property that was right there. Alright guys, so this is Kensington Crescent. Just wanted to show you guys around the community. So again guys, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to also subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and remember to share the video. So this is Old Road right out here. So we'll end the video here, guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for clicking on the video. And I'll see you on another property update.